Hi guys, let me show you something. Today is 19th day of November. 19th day. I want to tell you something. And is what's the time? It's 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Make I show you something. Come. You know, say if I dey talk some kind things, you go to say me one not know what I dey talk. Come, I show you. You dey see am? This thing na solar. You go say I don't carry solar matter come again, but I want you as a farmer, may you use your brain reason am. This is solar. This thing don dey pump since 8 a.m. No be just this one pond though. We don pump at least one pond before this one, and this thing go continue to dey pump till 5 p.m. today. And this same thing pumps every day. You see, as the farm reach, we dey change water in each different pond every day. Why I dey make this video now? For me to tell you, say, as a farmer, you need solar system in your farm. No two ways about it. You cannot buy fuel, even if you are a small farmer. Now your own case even worse. If you are a small farmer and you're buying fuel, you no go see any profit. Notice how they want you. Your profit wey you go dey make, you go dey drag am with fuel. For this current Naija wey be say fuel na 1,000 naira, where you wan start from? Maybe you no really understand this kind of solar. Make I show you. I wan explain am very well today. You understand? Come, make I show you. Might show you where e dey. You see am? This is my borehole. This borehole dey deep. Now this kind of borehole we dey use here, because you dey see say na red sand dey here. We no dey use surface pump for here. We go guys use this submersible pump. Now we dey use for here. And this submersible pump wey me one dey use, na solar dey power am. The machine e dey for ground. It's as I dey explain am. The machine dey ground. Solar pumping machine, e dey ground. Na im dey put water dey come out with the help of sun. Shebi you get? I wan explain am again, because you go dey ask how e take dey work. Na so me one be dey ask before, thinking that this thing cannot power a farm, but it's working perfectly. How many horsepower? Just 2 horsepower, and it's working perfectly. E dey serve very well. You as a farmer, this is what you need. Nothing wey follow the thing come. The next thing wey you need to make this thing work na the panels. Might still show you the panels. Oh yeah, na more go. You can see we have 6 panels up there facing sun directly. Anything wey make sun just start, that thing don dey work. Nothing else. 6 panels of 450 watts times 6. Now we take the power that pumping machine wey you see for there. It's not like this thing is something new, but I'm trying to explain that you as a farmer, you need this very thing in your farm. Is it that you're into crop farming, pig, or as far as say you dey request for water, baba, you guys buy this thing. No two ways about it. You know they hard to use. It just comes with one bus. The DC and the AC dey for the bus. If you don't want to use solar, that is if sun no dey, you switch to the AC, which is alternate current. E go begin work with your gen. Simple. If you still get light for the fire and sun no dey, you switch to your AC. Very simple. China don do away be say you no even need a person to come explain give you. E dey simple. You understand? If sun dey, which is DC, direct current, you just put am for DC, something go just begin work on you, and it will continue pumping. As the sun dey shine, e dey pump very fast. You could see the pressure now. Very, very fast. And na one borehole e dey, meaning if I put am for second borehole, bam, everywhere don good. I no get any issue again. That is if I say I buy another one, because I have 2 boreholes here. If I say I buy another one, put am for here, shaking now. What am I trying to say? If you want to survive in catfish farming in today's Nigeria, go for solar. If you don't know how to do it, you don't know where to buy it, you just link me. I go help you arrange and come put your farm. Everywhere don bobozi for you. You not get issue. You will go to enjoy farming. Stop stressing yourself with fuel. Fuel dey drag your profit with you. You know, I know they do any marketing for any solar company. I just dey try help you as a farmer. You know, I wait I say my share give you today. If you like, you believe me. If you like, you not believe. But I go still come back, tell you the truth. See you next time. Thank you.